next speaker is Janita, and she's gonna talk about chocolate. Actually, who doesn't like chocolate? She's gonna talk about the benefits and the types of chocolates available today. So please, welcome.
Has she brought some?
Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get. Who likes chocolate? Maybe the question to ask is who doesn't like chocolate? I guess everyone here likes chocolate. There are different types of chocolate: milk chocolate, dark, and white chocolate. During the process of creating this presentation, I have come across many new ideas of chocolate. Many people here are concerned about whether chocolate makes you fat. It can. Chocolate, especially milk chocolate, are high in calories and fat. However, many people claim that drinking a hot cup of chocolate actually diminishes the appetite. Dark chocolate, on the other hand, is the healthiest chocolate of all. There are many health benefits of dark chocolate. It contains high antioxidants and that can lower blood pressure and can prevent cholesterol and heart diseases. Interestingly, chocolate may increase your happiness. If you feel down or depressed about something, you can eat chocolate. It boosts your immune system and it can even relax you and prolong your life. Chocolate is one of the most popular treats on holidays like Christmas, Easter holidays, birthdays, and especially Valentine's Day. Besides, many people believe that chocolate can cause acne, but that is not true. Instead, it prevents your skin from aging. It softens your skin, removes wrinkles and blemishes. Chocolate is not only for drinking or eating. It can also be used as a hair product. It can make your hair shiny. There are many chocolate products today like soap, perfume, and candles. In conclusion, chocolate has many uses and benefits to health and skin. It releases tension and makes your life better.